Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wright County, eastern Douglas County, northern Howell County, southern Texas County, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Ava, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bryant Creek State Park, Mountain Grove, Mountain View, Willow Springs, Kabul, Norwood, Pomona, Somersville, Peace Valley, Brushy Knob, Errol, Elk Creek, Eunice, Gentryville, Yukon, Hartshorn, Vincent, Clear Springs, Solo and Pine Crest. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Douglas, Howell, Texas, and Wright.